have two main lines in which we are working on questions which have originated in our own work. One is to do with tolerance, and trying to understand tolerance, we try to understand autoimmune disease, and in the last few years we have focused into Graves' or autoimmune thyrotoxicosis, Graves' disease. This is one, and perhaps what makes our approach different is that we try to understand both the mechanisms failing at the, what we call central tolerance, thymic gland failures that led too many autoreactive cells to leave the thymus, and also, as we could call, the extreme periphery, so mechanisms that originated at the thyroid gland itself. This is our main research line in terms of that is more original. But then we have another research line which is very much with our colleagues of the pediatric and infectious disease, in which is more applied and probably is even more important for the patient because it is trying to improve the diagnostic tools for primary immunodeficiencies. And this is one in which we go from one disease to the other, but basically we try to diagnose them better and faster. So these children, these kids can be treated, which is normally by bone marrow transplantation, early enough as to really cure them. And this research line actually is one that I have received from my predecessor in this job, that was Dr. Teresa Español, and we are trying to take the challenge and to go on with today's tools. From the second half of 2010 till now is a very important period for our group because in a way we have refounded the group. We have inherited very valuable work, but a number of people left or retired, and we have to recruit new people to find research grants, and so it's a very hectic and this in the middle of this present recession, as you know. But we have got good papers, one on this, the first demonstration the TSH receptor could predispose to Graves' disease, to autoimmunity, through its peculiar expression in the thymus, and also because for the first time we have made some in-house diagnostic tools for primary immunodeficiencies, and we have diagnosed some children that have the disease, and that has been helpful for our colleagues in pediatrics. So the two highlights will be starting this new research line here of the TSH receptor and tolerance, and the other, the new tools for diagnosis of primary immunodeficiencies. And probably the main challenge that is not only a challenge for our group, but is a challenge in general for the diagnostics lab that have also a foot in the research institute, is how to find the synergy between the diagnostic labs and the research lab to help to do better research and to do, in a way, perhaps better organized research for diagnostic tools.